I was selling a winking Deadpool mask. This product alone maybe $30,000, but I vividly remember having to record, multiple videos a day myself, spending anywhere from 8 to 10 hours a day recording these videos and putting a lot of heavy work to get that sort of return. Now we're able to test so much quicker where we don't even have to make the videos ourselves. You have the ability to either mix AI with our content, right? You also have, right, the ability to make 100% AI videos and go just as viral, even more. So those days where you had to record and order samples and wait weeks or even months for them to arrive and spending hours recording content just to test a product that never really worked is gone, bro.